Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do so right now, and also hit that bell so you can get notified every time I post a new video. So in today's video, well, first of all, hold on, I am sorry I'm looking so scruffy, like I have a spaghetti strap on, my hair is not done, and I have this on my ear because since my cartilage piercings are not healed yet, I hit it like 3 days ago and they started bleeding again, so I have to put the in it so it could like heal, so it like stops bleeding and stuff like that. Anyway, now that I explained really how I look, not that I needed to give you guys an explanation, I am here because I got my first curl box package. Yes, and if you have been keeping up with my videos, you know I've been trying to get the subscription for the past, I swear it's been like 5 months. I'm not even kidding. Every time I put an alarm, I'll miss the alarm, or I won't hear it, or I'll forget, etc. Y'all want to know how I got it? So this time I actually had to tell my friend, like, yo, I'm not gonna be awake by 9 because I'm going to sleep late, so can you please get this for me? And she was gonna be, I think it was up working or something like that, or I don't know. Ain't that a good friend? Yes, I know. That's how I have really good friends, thank the Lord. But anyways, guys, let me show you guys my first package that arrived for July. So here it is. This is it. It's like a pinkish box, curl box. So if you guys don't know what curl box is a subscription that you pay monthly. I think it's like 20-25 bucks with shipping, and then they send you like natural hair products monthly. So to get my collection up and to do more video for you guys and to avoid, you know, going to the store and all of that stuff, I signed up. So in today's video, I'm gonna be just opening the box and reviewing the products that are in it. I'm going to do my wash and go with these products depending what hair products are in there, whether there's a cream or not, whatever. So we'll see how this goes. Let's get to opening the package. Okay, y'all, so here is the package. I said curl box. All right, we're going to, aren't my nails cute though? Okay, now it's focusing. Yikes, and I actually have to get a refill, but they're looking pretty nice still. Shout out to Meg though. Nails by Meg, go check her out. Okay. All right, so we have here curl box. And then, what are these called? Avita. Tells you a little bit about the product there. Cool, great. Let me push this off a little bit. Okay. Great picture, girl. Okay, so that was that. And it has curl box, I guess, thank you, blah, 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 or whatever it is. Hey, girlfriend, show off your style. Boom. Okay, great. Then, ooh, now it tells you more about the products here. Organic pomegranate oil, mango butter, coconut oil. Oh my god, I love coconut oil so much. Ooh, then we have $20. Well, excuse me. Then we have a 20% off plus free shipping. Yes, we like all the discounts. Let me tell y'all something. Even if I do have money, whether I do or don't have money, I'm always gonna look for a discount code, okay? All right, let's see. All right, first we have the leave-in conditioner. I love me some leave-in conditioners, y'all. So definitely be trying on this. And this is the shampoo, and I'm guessing it's the travel size. Great. Then we have the shampoo again, the big bottle. Then we have, what's this? The hair oil. Can y'all see that? There we go. We have the hair oil. Let's see. Okay. There goes that. Great. Then this is, I'm guessing, the conditioner. All right, I'm excited, y'all. Then we have, I'm guessing, yeah, the conditioner travel size. This comes in handy. Thank God they sent this, because this really comes in handy. So I will be using the shampoo, the conditioner, the hair oil today, and the leave-in conditioner. And then I'll just have to find another like hair butter or whatnot so I can put it in my hair so I can do my wash and go. So be right back, y'all. I am going to wash my hair. Okay guys, so it's now the next day and I was running some errands yesterday and my hair was able to dry pretty quick and pretty good. So these are the results. Now I'm gonna have to tell you guys, I fell asleep last night with no satin scarf, no bonnet. I mean, I don't use bonnets, but none of that. I literally just fell asleep with my silk pillowcase and this was it. This was it. So maybe it was supposed to come out better, but this is what I'm working with and I'm fine and I like it. And I also used the oil, which I showed you guys earlier when I was unboxing the package, and it was good. Like, you can use it pre-poo or you can use it after for a treatment, or you can just leave it in your hair. I just put it on my hair and just left it on. So you can do either of those three. Just make sure you read the instructions with every product that you get, because the instructions are there for a reason. Like, okay, the conditioners might be like, oh, a dime size, but yeah, I know how that goes. We don't use dime size portions over here. It's literally like half a conditioner bottle. So I also found out that the shampoo and the conditioner of this line have vegan superfood blend, and that's why I kind of felt it different, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, I don't want to say like, oh, they're vegan right off the bat, because I didn't even know, but I was like, I can feel some type of difference. It felt so smooth, and the conditioner, A1, y'all. A1. It was bomb. Like, the oil, everything, leave-in, everything. You guys know how my hair was looking before I did this wash and go. That was not cute. My hair was not pretty at all. So I would definitely recommend these products. Like, if you have not tried them out, try them out. Try them out, and obviously if they're within your budget, that's great. But if not, then maybe you can work something else out. But I definitely recommend these. I would definitely be using these again. The smell was good. Like, it wasn't like the best smell I've smelt, but it was good. Like, it was a good smell. So for the next time I'm gonna use these products, I'm gonna make sure I diffuse my hair, kind of just to get the whole puff look. I didn't want any puff because I don't want my hair too big, because I'm actually going to the beach tomorrow and I just didn't want my hair to be big. And obviously protect my hair throughout the night, because I bugged out last night. Like, I was just so tired. So tired. I was like, you know what? F it. I'm gonna watch some series and I'm gonna wrap my hair later. That never happened. Looked like a damn clown saying that. I was laughing by myself and I was saying that. I was like, girl, you know you're not about to get up from this bed to wrap your hair. So that was all I had for you guys today. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do so right now. Hit the like button if you did like this video and turn on your bell notifications so you can get notified every time I post another video. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.